Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about some questions in IELTS speaking, part 1. Alright, let's get started. Websites. The first question is, what kinds of websites do you often visit? Well, I enjoy visiting video sharing websites because it can be both educational and entertaining. The website is called Bilibili, and people from all walks of life upload their videos to the websites. Some are sharing recipes of delicious food. Some are sharing life experiences. Others are teaching languages through the videos. This website is quite amusing, and it also has its own mobile app, which means we can watch videos on our cell phone. Alright, let's take a look at the vocabularies and the expressions. All walks of life. When people talk about walks of life, they are referring to different types of jobs and different levels of society. For example, members of the gym include lawyers, teachers, plumbers, and hairdressers, people from all different walks of life. Alright, let's continue. Number 2, what is your favorite website? Well, like I said before, my most liked website is Bilibili. I learn English through this website as there are lots of professional teachers on this website. You can pick one who's a perfect match to your current level, and most importantly, it's free of charge. This website is quite similar to YouTube in Western world. Well, let's take a look at the vocabularies and expressions. Free of charge, it means without having to pay. For instance, you can download the materials free of charge from our website. Okay, let's continue. Are there any changes about the websites you often visit? Well, I think it's more user-friendly. The technical support engineers spare no effort to optimize interfaces so that it can bring in more new users. There are more than 80 million daily active users on this website. It's huge, isn't it? But the videos run smoothly. Alright, let's take a look at the vocabularies and expressions. User-friendly. If something, especially something related to a computer, is user-friendly, it is simple for people to use. For instance, a user-friendly interface, a user-friendly printer. The second one is spare no effort to do something. It means to use a lot of effort to do something. For example, we will spare no effort to find out who did this. Alright, let's carry on. One last question. What kinds of websites are popular in your country? I think it's anything related to social media because they connect people from every corner of the world. They are quite popular in the country, and actually they play a pivotal part in our daily life. A lot of people spend 1 or 2 hours on these websites every day. Well, let's take a look at the vocabularies. Pivotal. It means central and important. For example, a pivotal figure, role, or idea. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you find it useful, just give your thumbs up and subscribe our channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.